Tired of waiting, got tired of the chase. I've been feeling like lately there's nothing in the way.
Hi loves, how are ya? Welcome back to Awesome Hairstyles channel. Today I'll show you how to make this amazing looking hairstyle effortless, heatless and so easy to make. So we'll begin by using some dry shampoo or any texturizing product. Then we want to brush it into our hair, make our parting, brushing the rest backwards. Now I want to select our crown section, push it up a little bit and pin it in place with two bobby pins and loosen it a little bit, and then you want to grab one section from one side of the parting, leaving some hair out. You want to twist it, and then as you are twisting it you want to add more hair to this twist, so you keep repeating these steps over and over again until reaching our ears. This point we want to grab only half of our hair from the back because we'll have another twist from another side. We want to loosen it and pin it in place using bobby pins. You can use how many you need, so you want to repeat these steps over and over again. When you are reaching another ear, you want to twist your ends, pull the hair from the twist and pin it over your head. My hair is not that long, but if yours is longer it will definitely be even better. Pin it in place on other side like so, and then you want to repeat on another side the same steps. So basically you want to twist your hair, and as you are twisting it you want to add more hair. Loosen, pin it and pin this twist on other side.
I've been feeling like lately there's nothing in the way. Getting so impatient, need to get away now with you. With you.
When you feel that your updo is ready, you want to use some hairspray to fix it. I use this accessory so it looks more like a wedding hairstyle. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for your like. Also guys, if you're new, don't forget to subscribe, and I really hope to see you soon in my next video. Bye.